In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay yourself in QuickBooks Online. We're focusing on one straightforward method, recording the payment using a check in QuickBooks Online. This doesn't have to be a paper check. It's simply the form QuickBooks uses to record the transaction properly in your books. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and clicking the New button at the top left. From there, choose Check. This opens a form that tells QuickBooks which bank account the money is coming from and where it's going. Next, set the payee. In the Who is this check for field, select your name. If you don't see your name yet, you can add yourself so the record is clean and consistent. Using your name here helps QuickBooks keep track of payments made to you over time. Now enter the details of the check. Make sure the correct bank account is selected at the top. Enter the payment date, the check number if you're using paper checks, or leave it as to print if you're just recording it. Type the amount you're paying yourself and add a clear memo, such as owner draw or owner distribution, so you can easily recognize it in reports later. If you have supporting documentation or notes, attach them for context. The key part is the category. This tells QuickBooks how to classify the payment. If you're the business owner and this is not payroll, use an owner's equity account, such as owner's draw or owner's distribution. If you haven't created that category yet, set it up as an equity account type so it doesn't hit your profit and loss like an expense. If you're recording wages instead, select the appropriate wages or payroll-related category that fits your specific situation. The right choice depends on your entity type and how you compensate yourself. So if you're unsure, check with your accountant to avoid misclassifying owner draws as expenses or payroll. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. You've recorded a payment to yourself using a check in QuickBooks Online. The transaction will now appear in your expenses and in the bank register for the account you selected, and it will be categorized according to the account you chose. This keeps your books accurate and your equity or wage accounts up to date. To recap, you clicked New, chose Check, selected yourself as the payee, filled in the payment details, picked the proper category for your situation, and saved. With that, your payment to yourself is recorded correctly. Thanks for watching, and keep your categories consistent so your reports stay clean and useful.